In this question, we want to make D the subject of the formula. So let's identify the formula. We are using the arithmetic sequence formula here, or the linear sequence formula, right? And we are solving for D. Okay, let's see. We want to solve for this guy, D, right? Which is being multiplied by n minus 1, and it's also being added by a. Between the multiply and the addition, which one are we going to move first? We must first get rid of a using subtraction, because multiplication is a stronger force as compared to addition. So we remove weaker enemies first. So I'm going to have Tn. The a was adding here, so this side we will subtract. And then we have d n minus 1. All right? And then from there, we want to remove n minus 1. N minus 1 is multiplying at the moment, so it must divide to be neutralized. So we divide both sides by n minus 1, and on the right is going to cancel out. So we have Tn equals to a over, Tn minus 1 over n minus 1 equals to d. And that is our final answer. We have successfully isolated the D. Right.